We're here at Carz R Us talking about what not to say to your automotive repair shop. So you're checking this out on YouTube, so give us a like and a subscribe on there, and we appreciate you for tuning in here. The biggest things that we have, I got 3 things. Number 1 is when you walk in, don't say fix it all. We don't even know what it needs yet, and we've got different maintenance plans based on how long you're going to keep the vehicle. You might want it 1 year, you might want it 10 years. We don't know that. We want to make sure that we're catering that to you. And some people don't want to do maintenance at all. So we're going to figure out a plan that works for you. We want to call you. We want your approval of what the actual dollar amount is. The second thing is self-diagnosis. The easiest way to think about this is a doctor's office. You walk in, say, hey doc, my side hurts, I need my appendix removed. And doctor's like, yeah, we're not going to do that. We're going to test and verify. They find out it's your spleen giving you pain. That would have been a big mistake to remove an appendix you didn't need to remove, right? So when you come in, we're going to ask you symptoms. How long has it been doing it? What's it doing? When does it do it? Those kind of things. But our techs are going to diagnose it because we're going to stand behind that. And if the repair isn't fixed right, we're standing behind it. So we're going to verify what the issue is. And the third thing is buying your own parts. So if you're going to fix your vehicle, you're the do it at home person, perfect. Buy your parts, put them in. If you're not, you don't want to buy your own parts and then bring them into a shop. 3 reasons. 1, if you do it and they're wrong, we're sitting there with a vehicle tore apart and now we have parts that don't fit. Number 2 is you might get parts that are an inferior quality and they're not going to last for you, and then we can't stand behind them. And the third thing, and this is the biggest reason, most shops have gone to a policy where they will not install customer parts because of the liability. You buy us the parts, they fail, the manufacturer will not stand behind those because we didn't purchase the parts, but we put them on, and that creates a liability issue and a lawsuit potentially. So we will not ever install those parts. So definitely don't buy them before you have the vehicle serviced. We're going to buy them, we're going to give you our great 3-year warranty, and then we're going to stay behind. So any questions?
877-4277